Hello everyone. In the last video, we discussed certain tips and tricks which can help you elevate your score in the reading section in IELTS. I am sure you use them and they helped you too. In this video, we're going to talk about certain tips and techniques for the listening section. Now, when it comes to listening tests, there are certain set of audios that will play and you have to answer the questions based on the audio. I'll give you 5 techniques which you can use in order to enhance your score. First one, stay connected with the audio. If you're attentive enough and you're connected with the audio, you'll easily coordinate all your answers. Keeping that in mind is my second point. Don't stick to one place. For example, you were following the audio but you happen to miss one answer. Don't stick around that question because the audio will not be played twice. Move on to the next answer and get your score. Third one. Now when you start attempting the answers, before every set you have 30 good seconds to see the questions. Now what do I see? What basically you should see is first thing, instructions, and second, just pick certain keywords so that when the audio moves, you're able to figure out the answers. Even after one set is finished, there is 30 seconds to see the answers. Here, you should be careful about checking all the silly mistakes that you might make. What kind of silly mistakes? Singular, plural, or maybe spellings. For example, you found some answer and it was perfectly right, but you made the mistake of writing the spellings wrong. In that case, you lose the entire score. So make sure you check for those things. Fourth, don't run around the entire audio. You don't need the entire audio. As long as you are well coordinated with the keywords, you're good to go. Fifth and the last, do not leave any blank spaces. There's no negative marking anyway. So even if you find the answer just a little messy, you're not able to find it, put up a guess, and if you score it, we're good to go. If you follow these 5 techniques and take professional help in time, you'll definitely score well. All the best.